Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be at the TAOB breakfast pop-up, and man, was this delicious. We're also going to be at Sharkys Smoke shop, probably the best smoke shop in San Jose, hands down. We're also going to be kicking it with tank shit and a whole lot of street entrepreneurs, man, that are out there grinding and getting it. Some overall just good people. Let's go. Let me tell you something. When you pull up to a TAOB breakfast pop-up, you are going to smell the aroma. And that's what we had today. We had a nose for it, for the buzz down. So we went behind the scenes with Art to see what's really going on back here. And man, these orders were flying. So you already know how to go put mine in, man. That crappadilla, baby. Right on, my boy. And real quick, let me give a special shout out to the TAOB pit crew today on this event. Man, these guys were grinding all day, man, non-stop. And I already know how hard that could be. So props to them. But we see Art getting down right here on that griddle, man. He got all kinds of stuff going on right there. Whew, it's looking like a buzz down. Hey man, we right here, you know what I'm saying, the TAOB. This is authentic breakfast right here. Man, he is known for his bust down barbecue. So you know, Bobby Bust Down really got to get down on this shit right here. Let's get right into this. Yo, bro, first thing I'm gonna talk about is the size, though. Like, hello? This shit's a dummy as well. This thing is huge.
Certain flavors like what the fuck?
Alright, let me get a bite up in this thing. Oh.
There you go, bite into that shit.
Man, that's some real bust down right here.
I got 2 dates shirts fucking number.
I'm right here with my boy Art from TAOB. Yes, it's on the south side of San Jose if you don't know. Art, tell me, man, do you like coming out here in the scenery, messing with everybody out here, or do you like the restaurant scene a little better?
You know, the restaurant scene was cool for when it lasted 3 years, and you know, with the pandemic, that made it not fun anymore. I brought myself back to what I like. I like to interact with people, play the music that I want to play.
That's right.
And serve the food I want to serve without nobody in my way.
Right, right. And I seen that you sold out, man. I mean, you have a line like that all the time, or is it like
every single time?
Every single time. That's what I'm saying. So you guys really got to come out here and check this shit out. I seen at least 5 people pull up after he sold out and said, "Bro, sorry, bro. Unless you got an order in, that's it. It's a wrap." What do you usually cater when you do these things besides the breakfast menu?
So the breakfast menu catering, but I have the full barbecue menu as well.
The whole
catering, only in catering right now. We're gonna stick to what we love, and we love to cater. That's my thing, man. Interacting with people. I might do like, you know, pound sales and pre-sales type stuff once in a while. Barbecue pop-ups coming up, but this is so good. It's hard to switch from this.
Yes.
Because nobody in the Bay does this.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you know, like a lot of people aren't doing this because of, you know, the COVID and stuff. We got a whole thing going on over here, you know. It's a real community. Everyone's supporting each other. And, you know, I think that's what Art really got. He got that real good following. I follow him on social media, and I see this guy up like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning with the wood. He's already going. And his restaurant don't open until when?
11:30.
11:30.
Yeah, when it did,
He
yeah.
is smoking early in the morning. He is up before any of us. This guy is really hard working, you know. This guy's a real hard working, so I want to give all props to you. This shit is like really impacting San Jose a lot. You already know that, though.
I appreciate
I
that.
seen it when you were in that article. I think it was in San Jose Chronicle, or I forgot where.
Oh yeah, best barbecue. In the
Best
Midwest,
barbecue.
whatever, yeah.
I was like, wow, man, this guy got it going on. And you know what? I see him grinding on social media. So where can they find you on social media?
At TAOB_pit_master. Facebook is the Art of Barbecue LLC. Just look for my pretty face with my big back. It'll be on that picture.
The big gun? Let's see the gun.
I have no guns. I used to have guns.
I did remember seeing an interview about you a while back that you used to work in an office job.
Oh yeah, I
Used to be an office job, right? And then you actually went to something that you love.
23 years in telecom, bro.
Tell us exactly.
23 years, the last 12 at Intel.
So what was it for you? Like, that's it, I'm gonna start my own shit.
When I made more money in 1 month than I did in 6 months.
Right.
And I was paid well, but barbecue pays better.
Right, that's right.
Yep.
All right, man. I appreciate you, man. And the food was delicious, man. I appreciate you.
It's all sold out, bro.
Sauce,
man.
live and direct. I'm not lying about this shit.
Hey, the second day we did it here, we sold out in just less than 2 hours. Stopped because there was a 50 ticket backlog.
Wow.
Yeah, had to stop. And then
So the portion size is there, the flavor is there, the atmosphere is all here. Definitely go follow TAOB, man. Art, man, he's a great dude. He's gonna show you, he'll show you little sneak peeks of what he does on his Instagram as well. As far as the seasoning and the smoking, this guy got it going on. So we are gonna be stepping inside of Sharkys Smoke Shop. This smoke shop is so nice inside, man. I would definitely suggest checking it out.
What's good, everyone? Make sure you come out here and check out Sharkys Smoke Shop right off the center, and we'll see you soon. Come check us out.
What up, Pac?
What's up? This is PAC, represents 408. I love what's happening right now. It's like we're getting all back to the old age when we're exchanging goods and exchanging services. We are at a time where growth is happening in all our communities. So do not hesitate. If you want to start something, you have some information to share, some service to share, you have art to share. Do it. Just do it. Practice it and do it. Tomorrow's not promised. Leave something behind. Stay blessed. Peace.
Personal fucking film.
I know, that shit is crazy. I do some crazy shit too.
Seen this earlier. I came to swoop it.
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's up, guys?
How you doing?
What are you guys about here? What's the brand name? What's the brand name? SJ Gear?
SJ Gear, we got custom.
You gotta read it loud and clear.
Everything we make is custom made, man. So if you like anything you see here, you can order it online at SJ Gear Shop. And follow us on Instagram too.
Instagram's the best way to contact you guys?
Yeah, we do everything straight out of San Jose. Sell, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. You see that? What's up with it, bro? How you doing? Tell me this ain't saucy. Man, I can't wait to flex this when I'm at the beach. Woo! Yeah.
Thanks for swooping that, man. I'm gonna hook you up with the black and white XL.
What?
Thanks for messing with us, man.
Y'all gotta fuck with SJ Gear now, bro. They hooked your boy up with a fresh white tee too.
Make sure you guys stop by, get hooked up.
Yeah, stop by. These guys are really cool people. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna feel the San Jose vibes with the San Jose Gear. Trust me on that. Look, whammy on them. Double wham, baby. So with the SJ Gear, how long have you been screen printing? When did you start? How did you start? How did this shit get to where it is today?
Definitely didn't happen overnight, man, but we've been pushing since 2012.
That's a long time grind right there, if you think about it.
Yeah, we've been doing Next Level, and Next Level basically does all the printing for us, and SJ Gear is the store that has all the apparel and stuff that Next Level Studios prints for us. So
where can they find you on Instagram?
SJ Gear Shop, local-based printing company. And if you guys see us around, it's all made here in San Jose.
It's actually made up the block from where we're at right now. That's how authentic these guys are.
It's all made in-house, and yeah, we're about, you know, supporting local artists and promoting each other. So make sure you follow us on Instagram and
follow them on Instagram. You also see that they have a web page, so on their Instagram. So go check that out.
Yeah, man, we hope with 2021 being a new year, there'll be a lot more events. So we'll be doing hopefully more pop-up shops.
All right, man. Thanks for your time, bro. Thank you for the dope gear, bro. Thank you. These guys are hella cool over here, man. These guys are dope. All right, check you guys. You know where it's at. You know where it's at. What you got over here? What you got over here?
We got a little bit of everything. We got some exotics. We got cases. My chair. Look at this. My chair.
That boy's sitting on packs, literally.
We got a trap smoke. This is one of the best flavor Fantas in the city, man.
Woo!
Feel me? We got chips. We got
soup
spicy squid. We got soup. We got chicken wings.
Squid,
I got a cup of noodle stuff.
What's up with the spicy squid?
These ones, bro, and I got these fucking, these were extra spicy potato chips. I might fuck around, pop these over today, let a couple customers try them and shit.
Right, sample them out. Cheesecake, fucking what? Y'all never seen these before, huh? Don't forget about the little babies.
Oh, yeah, little bit. Alright, so if y'all want to fucking get crazy and attempt this, man, you eat this chip, last 10 minutes, no food or water, I'll give you $50 and anything you like.
$50?
And you won't even have to pay for the chip. The chip is $20 by itself. It's the hottest chip in the world.
What's in that shit? What's in that chip?
It's the hottest chip in the world. So it's got like Carolina
hottest chip
Reaper.
in the world.
Got all types of shit.
Oh, it's the Reaper? Oh, forget about it.
Yeah.
Forget about it.
It made Last Breath throw up. The one that just tried it actually beat that shit. He actually did it. So it's not impossible. Nobody says it's impossible. How the customer win that shit.
So how long you gotta wait for?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
No food, no water, and then dude before the guy that won made a new rule. You can smoke. So I don't care. You can get a wood, your blunt, whatever. You gonna smoke it up while you dying. That's all on you. That's not breaking the challenge.
Where can they find you on Instagram, big dog?
Young Surge, you feel me? Check out that music. R.I.P. Joe, Jordan Cuddy Banks.
Joe, man, you feel me, bro? Hey, man, you already know where we're at, bro.
Yeah. EDD ballers, welcome. Get over here.
EDD.
Over here at Sharkys, fucking with the tank truck. You got Zago right here, man. You feel me? Up and coming rapper out of San Jose. Come on, man.
Yeah. What's going on with the boy, man?
Man, over here wondering why niggas ain't at the truck like that.
Man, what's going on, man? They fucking with Art over there, huh?
When y'all done eating, get back over here, man. We about to turn up. I got a deal for you. Buy high-fee sodas.
I don't flex the shirt. See what it's looking like.
Shit. Put myself on the shirt.
You gonna put yourself on the shirt?
You hoe ass niggas couldn't do it for me, man.
Tell me, bro, how'd you start this shit, bro? How'd you start the tank shit? How'd the box truck begin?
Yeah, the box truck. It started from being outside all day, every day. Like, it just evolved, really. It was out the trunk. It was like a trunk. It started from a pocket to a bag to a trunk to a truck.
Just kept evolving.
Yeah, just
You're like a Pokemon. You're gonna keep evolving.
Yeah.
Keep forming up into something new. The boy right here.
Come on, see you, bro.
This the boy right here.
Yeah, hit that shit, show.
Bro, it was good fucking with you for the day, bro.
Yeah.
I'll let you go, my dude. You know what I'm saying? That's tank shit right there for y'all, man.
Tank shit!
My downfall on our team, bitch, I stood tall. Show these loyal niggas how to ball.
I'm gonna be straight up. Shout outs to Bobby Bushdown. He's good people. Make sure you mess with him, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
He got
Thank
good
you.
places, good vibes.
Yeah.
Good vibes.
That's what it's
Bobby
about, bro.
Bushdown.
Yeah.